Hey guys, it's Monica. I'm gonna go through and show you. I'm gonna go through these bars of Scentsy wax, and we are going to arrange them. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and my backside's not in the way too much. I might need to make this taller. Let's see. Sorry. Trying to figure out. There we go. That's better. Wax, Scentsy. More wax. Let's see. And more wax. I'm going to organize them by color. So I bring you along for the ride. Okay. We're going to go through. First thing I'm going to do is take all the partials. So I'm going to have them backwards like this. Okay. One partial. Another partial. Another partial. That's it for partials, thank God. Now we're going to organize them by color. We're going to go light first. Pardon me if I'm in white. I'm going to do white wax first. As you can see, white wax. Let's go with yellow. Oh, another partial bar. Yellow. One. Yellow. Now we're going into the orange. Going into the light pink. This one have up top? No. Okay, so that one's done. On to the next one. On to the next container. No top either. These are purples. I'll fit perfectly in here. It's warm today, you guys. Okay, it's warm here in New Mexico. Trying to do this quickly. Okay. We're just left with blues and greens. Oh, one more. That one's done. Last one. I can sit down now. Crap out of my way. Oh shoot, I gotta put one. So these are all greens and blues. Should fit this way. I don't think I can fit this way. I don't think so. I'm gonna fit this. There's not too much left. So, it's hot in here. 1, 2, 3. And let's see. Oh, there's cover for that one. So that one is done, guys. I got all that. Let's see if I can. Where the heck did it go? So I can show you guys. There they are. All the bars are done. Whew. It is hot in here. Whew, I think it's like 90 degrees today. Okay. That was a quick snippet for my which one is it called? Oh my god, Scars and Stars. And then we have 4 partials. Sorry, trying to grab them because I don't like partials. So these are the ones we're going to work on. These are going to be added to my melting basket. This is orange. O2 Opulence. Looks juicy too. Pixie. This one's a good one. And the last one that we're going to add to our melting basket is Cinnamon, one of my favorites. So those 4 are out of my melting baskets. I have 2 more left to do, and I will be organized by color. Thank you for coming along with me, and we will see you continuing with Scars and Stars video that I recorded yesterday, rearranging my wax. I just wanted to show you guys that I ended up putting stickers on my shelf, so hopefully we'll see how it's going to come up in the video. I'm so happy today because guess what? I ended up using up a essential oil, not this one. This is the new one. This one's going to be peppermint, but in the diffuser. In perfect timing, the diffuser just literally ran out of water and color. So I'm going to change it out after dinner. And like I said, I ran out of the, I think it was Twinkle Twinkle, and I had this oil for like 2 years now. So I'm going to put the peppermint oil. So hold on a second. I don't know if you've never seen the diffuser. So you put water in here and you fill it up. Next thing you do is you get the oil. Hold on. This is the one we're using. 100% pure peppermint oil. I don't know where I got this from. Somebody gave this to me. So hold on. Let me open it. And you add about 6 drops of oil, essential oil, whatever kind you want. Like I said, I just finished my Scentsy one, and I have another one. And then you turn it on. There's, I think this mist is for a slow mist. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can barely see it. And then you could do the colors. So we're going to do the, no, I think I just had the red on. We're going to do purple. See how nice that looks. I don't know if you can see the mist. So you can control the mist, and then you can make it slower or faster, but I leave it on the slower speed so it can last all day long. Again, this is Monica. I'm in New Mexico. This is part of the Scars and Stars video, and then after that you'll see the video of me organizing my wax. See you guys. Hi guys, it's Monica. Welcome to my new series, Scars and Stars. It's a little bit chilly here in New Mexico. It's early in the morning. Here I will be showing you what series you're watching. So Scars and Stars. It's a little bit light, and the pen broke, so I'm gonna have to get another one. But yeah, I think that's cute. So this is where I do my projects and progress. So I've been working on my fragrance flowers upgrades, I guess. So I have 5 fragrance flowers container jars. They are from Scentsy, and I just purchased 2 more, so I have 3 more. Where are they? I don't know. They're down here. I don't think you can see. No, yeah, right here where my finger is. I have like 3 more there, so that's gonna be my next one. But those won't be till the end of the year because I alternate between fragrance flowers, and then once the flower's done, I put the Scentsy go and I work on my pods. So my Scentsy my fragrance flower is almost done. Maybe a couple more days and then it'll be in my empties tub finally. So let's go through them. Let me grab them. Hold on. So I had already done the jars. I just filled them up this time. So we'll start with I guess we'll start with light to dark. So this is the first one that I did, the diamond stickers that you can get at the Dollar Tree. So I did this one first. I love how it came out. It's so pretty and sparkly. I love sparkly things. This one is I have I think it's a cinnamon woods. Oh no, it's the happy birthday flower. I don't remember what kind of flower. And then I put the yellow flowers, and then I put some greenery in here. So it's sort of like sunflowers, but I do love yellow flowers. So this one came out pretty. I'm trying to redo them for spring and summer because these glass vases had like winter and fall, and they've been the same flowers for the past 2 years. So then I think it came out really pretty. So these go up here, up on the top shelf, so you don't really see them. So yeah, but this is the first one, is my yellow one with the white diamond. Oops, almost dropped it. The next one, like I said, we're gonna go by color. Like, so this one we had already did. This is the washi tape, and I wanted to use all the stuff I already have before I go and buy out more stuff. So this one is the orange roses, and then this one I think is eucalyptus, fake plastic. So this one came out really pretty. It's very spring. It looks sort of like a wedding vibe for some reason. It reminds me like a wedding or something. Oh, hold on. And then this was the last one that we went through. These are the sticker tabs that you can put on like books and stuff. I don't know if you could see it. The little you can see the little arrows. And so this one I decided to do purple flowers to match the vase. So this one is purple. And then I already had these, and so I just incorporated these and then more of the greenery. So this one came out really pretty. And these, once I'm done with them, I do give them like to my mother-in-law or to my sister-in-laws for like their birthdays or Valentine's or anything like that. So holidays is nothing. Mother's Day already passed. Their birthdays already passed. So the next one would be probably in September, towards like December, for birthdays. Okay, so these two you guys haven't seen. So this one has a what are they called? The Christmas ones. Oh my god, what are they called? Poinsettia. These are the poinsettia fragrance flowers. These ones are like really hard. Is this the fake poinsettia? No, I think this is a fake flower. Yeah, these are fake. These are all fake flowers, obviously. And so this one I decided to do like stickers. Oh my god, I can't. My brain's. Oops, seriously. This one's little. This one just fell out. This is a little fake flower, but we'll put that to the side. So I did a color scheme of yellow, orange, and green, and then I put a little yellow flower in there because I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to be spring. So I'm gonna replace these, but they're in there for now, just to hold in there because these go in the. I put 2 of them in the living room. So this is gonna go in the living room. But this one came out okay. It looks like a color. A child did this one, so. But I'm gonna replace these and get them like maybe some probably maybe some blue, but I want bright colors. I want like springy colors. And this is the last one. This one is actually the fragrance flower that is in my living room, and it has a tiny bit of oil, so it's almost done. And this is cinnamon woods and then the fake things, but I just barely decorated. But this one I used the colored ribbon, and they have like sticky tabs in the back, and I don't know, right? It reminds me like a stripper. It's like a stripper thong color or something. Oh my god, I don't know what in the world, but it's so pretty and sparkly. But yeah, this one came out good. I like the way this looks with this. So, but I'm probably gonna replace this flower with maybe like a lighter pink. But I've been I threw all the fragrance flowers away a long time ago. I don't really have any of the fragrance flowers other than this one because that there's actually oil in there right now. So I'm waiting. That one is the Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze scent. It's been there since January the 1st. This is almost 7 months later. I am tired of it. So I am trying to soak it up. Like I said, it's almost done. It should be done within a week. Thank God. And then I'm going to put my Scentsy in there. I have right behind me, there's pods here. So this is my notebook. So right behind me there's pods, and I have probably like maybe 10 pods, but I did want to go through my my customs because Let's Get Lit candles, they are on Facebook. The owner is Amy, not from Happily Scented Life. This is another Amy. And so she was doing a picnic day customs blend, and you put your own customs, and then I ended up putting 3, and she ended up picking them, and they're in the sale. Well, currently I think the sale, I don't know how long the sale's gonna last, but for today is the last day, and so the blends are $2. The wax is $2. Hold on, I gotta blow my dang nose. Ooh, never mind. The tissue's all wet. Why is this tissue wet? Oh my god. I had a clean. My magnifier was so dirty I couldn't see diddly squat. So now it's clean, and I forgot I smell like glass cleaner. I think that's what's making my nose run. Is the smell of the glass cleaner. So anyways, Let's Get Lit candles by Smoke Sessions. They're on Facebook. So as of today, the picnic day scents are available, and she also has donut scents available. I did make a little video about that, and I posted it I think yesterday. So the 3 that she did choose, and I did order them, is one is Atlantic Fair. It's lemonade, nutmeg, and berries. And so when I do a custom and I order it, I put a Minnie Mouse, so I know that I've already did this one. So I got that one done, so that's exciting. The next one I did was ballet slippers. That is champagne, cantaloupe, and salty sea air. And I wrote the notes. So this one has a cat. So that way I know I've already did that one. And then the other one is, where's the other one? I know there were like A, B's, and C's for some reason. Oh, okay. The other one is Blurry Lines. That one is funnel cake, cherry, and lavender. I did want a floral in it. And so Minnie Mouse is telling me that that one has been done. And we were already done this custom. So I got 3 more customs done. Yay. I keep knocking this thing down. I need to watch my elbow. I think that's what it is. I'm knocking it down with my elbow. So I keep doing that. And I finished a book. It's from the Nightmare Before Christmas. It's called Sally's Lament. That is my 27th book of the year, so yay for me. What other projects? The shelves. I haven't done the shelves, but I organized the wax by color. Finally, they are all. So I have uh the yellows, the light colors are over there, and then on the bottom shelves are the darker colors, and then behind me is more. And then I ended up finding more vendor and retail wax. I did not know that I had that, so that was a surprise. Um, I am working on my candle. I don't know if you can see it. It's up here. I should finish it today. It's been raining for the past couple of days, so I don't really put a candle out when it rains because, you know, it'll get blown out because it's drafty in my house. It's pretty cold right now. What else is going on? I do have my I don't know if you can see it, my nephew's thing there, and then up here I have my let's see if I can get it. Oh, I take it. Right here, then the black is my channel name. So I wanted to get that done. What else? What other projects am I doing? So the wax is done. I have no more wax to chop. Thank God, all of that is done. I finished that up in the last week or so. So everything that I have is now clamshells or it's cut up already. Thank goodness. So that's done. My shelves are already organized by color. So when I do get the shelf in here, it's ready to go. My vases are all done. I wrote down all my customs in 2 notebooks. I have a 309 blends. So I got the next 3 knocked out. They're on the way. She said next week she'll mail them out. So that's good. I'm so excited. I can't wait to haul that and smell that and see if it's everything I've smelled. And on Melting Memories, I have 3 customs, and Birdseed was doing really good, and people are talking about it on Melting Memories on Facebook. And I don't think she offers it now, but she's offering what is it, a summer pre-order pretty soon. I think I don't actually know what date. I think next week, sometime in June. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this. It should be June because I'm trying to post them every other week. I don't want to be posting every week and then you guys are gonna get tired of my voice or my face or whatever. So I'm trying to spread it out during the month and let you guys know my progress with my projects. What other projects do I have? The next project is, like I said, I'm working on my Scentsy pods. I haven't melted. Pods are scented beads. You don't melt them. You can put them in I use my Scentsy Go, and I have to find it. Actually, I don't know where it is. I'm gonna have to find it, and I have to charge it. You charge them, and they last about 10 hours. And I put it in my living room. I think right now all I have is fall pods, pumpkin scent. So that's fine. We're gonna have to go through it because I haven't, like I said, I haven't used my pods since January. This vase took forever. This oil took forever. I working on my empties. I don't have that much right now, so I don't know about Wednesday. I already recorded my aroma diploma for the following week. What else? I'm working on my new vlog. I have another series. It's called Green Chili and Wax. That is my vlog. Mostly it's my day-to-day. It's a lot of when we go outside with my dogs, like when the weather's nice, I go outside with the dogs, or we go out to eat, or we get treats or something like that, whatever. Or I'm cooking. I don't think I have much cooking in this one, and so I have to edit them, and then upload it. What else? I think that's it for my projects. I'm pretty much done with everything that I wanted to do except the shelves. That's the next biggest thing. But yeah, as for now, all my bases are done. I have 3 more fragrance flowers. Like I said, those won't be probably till the end of the year. I don't even know what I have, what scent I have, because they're back here, but I don't get those out till later. But I'm gonna be working on my pod, so I have to find my Scentsy Go, charge it, because I'm probably gonna put it out tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. I don't know what's tomorrow. Um, what other news? Um, oh, um, Luna Rose is going to be doing a monthly box style sort like Rocky Top wax. So I think she said it's this following Monday or I think it's this following week. I'm not sure. Go on to Facebook, Luna Rose Wax. I think the owner's name is Amanda, I believe. And so she's going to be doing monthly boxes. So you purchase your wax and you can choose the box for that month. It won't be shipped until the following month, I believe, and then you could keep adding wax. And though that's good because sometimes they have clearance or flash sales, they vendors do that too, and then they'll have limited uh like wax, who's the one that does it? Was it CQ? So I was doing the Golden Girls. Bright House Scents is doing Little Mermaid. Luna Rose, she does Twilight. Everybody has their own like series that they do, and so I like that idea because I can buy wax, hold it, buy more wax, hold that, buy more wax, hold that, and then ship it all together, and it'll shave, not shave. Well, it might shave. It'll save you on shipping and handling. So that's a great idea. Like I said, Rocky Top already does that. I'm actually waiting on a order from Rocky Top. I'm waiting one from, what's the other one? Let's Get Lit. That's another one that's on the way. And then the, oh my God, what's the other one? I'm trying to think who it is. It's one that I've never bought before, and it was a pre-order. Oh my God, what is it? And I normally write it down, but I didn't write it down because I'm like, I'm going to remember. So if I remember, I'll add it, the name here. I'll edit it because my brain is fried right now. I can't remember diddly squat. So yeah, this is it for the newest episode of Scars and Stars. I hope you guys like this. This is my not projects and progress that I've done. So I finished all my fragrance flowers, like I said. I finished my notebooks. I finished my one for my nephew, and I finished my channel name up there. You can barely see it. It's in black. So let me see. I probably have to like show it like that. Yeah. So you can see my channel name here, and then my nephew's Justice page because I'm trying to get more people to. He has not he. There's a video out on my nephew's case. It's on YouTube. You just, I think, type in his name. I don't know how to link videos. I don't know how to do all that. I'm barely learning how to edit videos. So yeah. Anyways, again, this is Monica. I'm in New Mexico, Nuevo Mexico to Spanish speakers. And in some of these videos, if I'm going over like scent notes or something, I will let you know how to pronounce them properly, because I want you guys to know how to say it, because some of them online, and I don't know if it's because they never heard the word or what, but they they say dulce. So it's D-U-L-C-E, and dulce is Spanish for candy or sweet. And so they say dulce. It always makes me laugh. There's like 2 or 3 of you guys on YouTube that say it like that, but it's dual, you have to pronounce it like dual, D-U-A-L, and then se, S-E-H, or you could say dulce, but that's how you pronounce it. It's pronounced dulce. So the word dual and then se, or you can say dual se, either or. But you guys, oh my gosh, I guess it's the teacher in me that wants to correct everybody. I don't know. That's just how I am, and I know there's some words, especially like wood or florals that I've never heard of, and so I try to, like, when I read names in the Bible, I try to break down the word into sections. So I'll say it like that because there's a lot of new words that are new to me, especially like with vendor wax, because you guys list a lot of scent notes, and so it's a lot of them that I've never heard. But yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to offend anybody when I say you guys say dulce wrong, but I'm trying to let you know how to say it, so that way you know. And burping is a stomach issue. It is a bloating, apparently. It's from the Manjaro, and I guess there's a lot of people, because my doctor said that a lot of people are getting the bloating. It's making you belch. So when my doctor finally contact me and I get to talk to them, I don't know who I'm going to see, a dietitian or whatever after, and then they're probably going to take away certain foods from me, and I know soda's probably going to be one. I mean, I drink maybe a soda a day. That's going to be the hardest for me because I don't like water, straight up water. I need to drink either tea, juice, like a soda, but straight up water, oh my god, that's going to be hard for me. And I know they're going to have to take certain foods away. Like I said, it's a bloating issue. That's what's making me burp. Sorry. It's been going on since November of 2025. So 6 or 7 months, and I'm tired of it. So I'm just waiting for my doctor. I don't know why I cannot get a hold of them. It's just a back and forth, and I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this burping, and I know there's some people that like it. It's like, I don't know if it's that AMSR thing, or I don't know. They like the burping. I don't know. It bothers me. It really, really, truly does. So I'm tired of it. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, click like, subscribe, and you can even share these videos. I didn't even know you could do that. I don't know why you would want to share this video. I don't know. Okay, but if you like it, again, this is Monica. I will talk to you later. This is Scars and Stars.